In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove spending limit on Fanduel. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Fanduel like you normally would. Then please go to the bottom menu and press over here where it says account. Then it's going to show you your account with your balance. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down and then you'll see this section that says player protection. And then you just want to press on set user limit. Once you're done with that, it's then going to prompt you to a page that looks like this. And it's going to let you know all the tools that you currently have activated, any limits that you do have. So what you want to do in order to remove any of them is you want to press on the pen icon right over here. And then you just want to go ahead and just press on the number. And it's going to give you the option to actually remove it just like this. And then you just want to go ahead and confirm it, and then you should be good to go. Please keep in mind that this video is strictly for educational purposes. This is not financial advice, and of course, you should always use this app responsibly. This video is merely showing you how to use the tools that the app itself offers. So anyways, once you're done with that, you just want to go ahead and confirm it, and then as you're able to tell, we should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.